Aries, this is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aries? Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of May. Ingat sa mga scammers. Okay. Pasensya na delay. Maraming naging ganap this May. Okay. Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of May. Let's see ang mga Aries. Let's see ang mga Aries. Anong balita? Okay. Sale pa rin ang ating mga crystals. So, PM lang ng Aries. Ayaw nang mag-overthink ng mga Aries. Sabi ng masculine sa connection na to, ayaw niyang mag-overthink, trying to heal, trying to step back, ayaw niyang magsalita. For now, wala din siya daw plano. Hindi niya alam kung anong tamang gawin sa situation na to. Okay? Very not Aries-like. Alam mo yung mga Aries, medyo may pagka-leader-like yung energy. But this time, I feel may burnout energy. Sabi ng masculine, hindi niya alam kung anong dapat gawin for now. Maraming naging broken promises, expectations na hindi natupad. Maraming apologies na parang it feels like insincere. Aware naman kayo sa mga naging disappointments nyo sa isa't isa, and hopefully, this time, maayos na. Okay? Trying to avoid conflict, kumbaga nag-try namang ayusin at ipakita dun sa person na inaayos na, binabago na, pero I feel hindi pa rin nagkakaintindihan because hindi maramdaman pa rin, kahit may effort, hindi pa rin maramdaman yung sincere apology. Alright? Naging very discerning kayo sa isa't isa. You feel like parang lagi na lang naka-side eye at lagi na lang walang tiwala ang bawat isa. But nagkaroon dito ng patience, but it feels like napapagod na rin ang pusong magtiwala at magbigay ng chances. Okay? Justice card, you really tried to do kung anong tama. Kung may kasal at pangakong involved, kasal, engagement, or like a promise to be together long time, you're honoring that, at sabi nyo hanggang kaya, gagawin. Pero kahit may pangako, it feels like hindi naman nakapagbigay ng full commitment or hindi naabot yung standards or expectations ng other person. Merong ina-expect na something from the other person na lagi na lang the other person feels disappointed. Kasi baka naman hindi nag-uusap. Kasi parang may assumptions, may nararamdaman akong assumptions na parang dapat alam na niya yan. Eh paano? Kung 3 beses na nga niyan hindi alam, hindi talaga niya alam. So there has to be a heart-to-heart conversation na kailangan mangyari. Alright? Nagkaroon ng on and off connection, nagkaroon ng harmony, pagkakasunduan, pagbabalikan, reconnection, reconciliation. But it feels like nagkaroon ng trust issues, dishonesty sa relationship, mga trust issues. Kung may batang involved, pinapahalagahan niyo yung bata, and bata ang number 1 considerations niyo kung bakit kayo nagsasama pa rin right now. Okay? If not, kung walang batang involved, it feels like parang someone is very mapaglaro sa pag-ibig. Andyan pa rin yung mga toxic patterns na hindi naman mag-give up and hindi mabitiwan because this connection is not bad. It's not that bad at all. Okay? This connection doesn't feel secure and stable at all. At maraming nangyaring betrayal, backstabbing energy, pero kahit ganon, nakikita niyo pa rin ang isa't isa as the wish fulfillment or like yung potential ng relationship na to na maging okay pa soon. Right? Okay. So, let's see kung anong meron pa. Okay? Para sa personal reading, ingat sa mga scammers, huwag basta-basta magsasettle. Para sa mga old clients, alam niyo na ang nag-iisang number ko, Viber, Voting, Telegram, even the GCash, alright? Kung makikita nyo dun sa profile photo natin ng Mystic Siren, nandun ang number natin, nag-iisa yun, okay? Ingat sa scammers. And then, para sa ating crystals, nakasale pa rin, so PM lang, okay? The reason for the reading is on and off ang relasyon na to. Every time nagkakabalikan, 3 araw lang masaya, nag-aaway na naman, okay? Marami na rin naituro sa inyo ang situation na to, but I don't know, gaano ba karami ang disagreements nyo? Gaano ba karami ang pagkakaiba nyo? Kasi parang, no matter how hard you try na magkaroon ng fine-tuning and harmony sa inyong dalawa, lagi kayong may pinag-aawayan. Very Aries energy, very fiery. Baka naman kasi ito yung be careful bago ibato ang salita. Be careful bago sumabog ang galit. Okay? Very Aries energy, minsan impulsive yung energy. So consider your person's feelings and maraming bagay na kapag sinabi at nagawa mo na, hindi mo na mahihil ng sorry ang ibinato mong masakit na salita. Alright? Recent past, sabi nyo is gusto nyo naman at kaya namang ayusin ang relationship na to, but I feel marami lang emotional wounds na dala yung past na experiences. Okay? Hindi nyo ngayon alam kung ano pa yung mga next plans, nagkakaroon ng overthinking here. Parang nagpapakiramdaman energy. May prayers and manifestations, kahit gaano ka-challenging yung relationship, gusto nyo namang mag-stay together. Gusto nyo pa rin kumapit sa relationship. Sabi ng mga Aries, napakarami daw niyang responsibilities, iniisip, dumadagdag pa ang relationship. Mahal nyo naman yung isa't isa. You feel energetically tied, hindi nyo naman mabitiwan ang bawat isa. And very optimistic pa rin ang mga Aries na magkakaroon ng magandang outcome ang love connection na to. Okay? In terms of business or pera, maraming bayarin, pero sabi mo, wala namang magagawa kasi nakatali ka sa responsibilidad. Sabi mo, kahit mabigat ang responsibilidad, nakatali ka sa bills, sa kung ano man binabayaran, sabi mo, thank you Lord, kasi lagi namang may harvest time, lagi namang may dumarating. Be grateful, mahalaga, healthy lahat. Okay? Person ng mga Aries, very flaky, very inconsistent ang energy. Minsan okay, minsan may toyo, minsan biglang galit, minsan hindi mo malaman ng timpla. Or hindi na alam kung kaya pang ayusin ang connection na to or not. Let's see. Any clarifications about Knight of Wands? Yung person mo, gusto rin naman ng happily ever after, pero talagang yung ugali nyo nagka-clash. Kumbaga sa manok, pwede kayong pagpustahan. Sabihin nyo lang kung kailan ang next fight, ha? Pupusta ako. Alright. So, meron ka ngayong fear and doubt kung makaka-rebuild pa sa relationship na to. Okay? If you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, the yellow crystal, the yellow happy crystal. Okay? Healing of emotional wounds, harmony sa relationship, the pink crystal, Madagascar rose quartz. Alright? I feel naman until the end of August, whatever you're manifesting, magiging in favor sa'yo ang universe. Kung ano yung unang prayer na hinihiling mo na nasa isip mo right now, claim it, that blessing is yours, the wheel of fortune is yours. Alright. Mental clarity, if you're wanting mental clarity and stronger connection with the divine, amethyst crystal. Ito yung super favorite ko, the purple crystal. Okay. So, good news and bad news. Good news, whatever you're manifesting, it's yours already. Pagdating sa career, pera, yes, okay? Pagdating sa relationship, I feel there would be like a bad news or hindi masyadong magandang news, but it would be like a blessing in disguise kasi at least nalaman mo na naman yung katotohanan. May realization dito na ku-question niya ng feminine kung gaano katotoo ang love ng masculine sa kanya. Okay? May mga expectations and may mga gustong clarity sa relationship, but I feel nahihirapang magkaroon ng transparency, authenticity na maaaring magdala ng heartbreak and pain. Okay? Kumbaga sa relationship, eto, medyo sabihin natin, wala ako masyadong maibigay na good news, but pagdating sa pera, blessing is yours, claim it already. Kung ano yung hinihintay mo, nagpapagasolina lang, aandar na yan. Financial stability is yours, claim it already. Pagdating sa pag-ibig, merong mga marirealize na parang and disappointments na akala ko ganyan, akala ko ready, akala ko mahal ako. but may questionable ang pagmamahal ng masculine. Meron daw dishonest energy na maaring magdala ng heartbreak and pain. Pag-usapang mabuti, merong kailangang honest conversation na mangyari para maiwasan ang broken heart and disappointment energy na to. Alright? And that would be the Aries reading. Bye, Aries!